wake me up to another good morning. Time to go. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. 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 We are all looking for adventure.
Good afternoon guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's video is about a few tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. A couple of very useful things to do, and then towards the end of the video I've got a little announcement to make, so watch till the end and you'll hear the announcement. Now I'm up in Binnerborough, and I'll just spin you around and just let you have a look at this view. So this is Binnerborough, and it's about 30 minutes from the Gold Coast, up in the mountains of the Gold Coast hinterland. We're looking roughly north-ish at the moment, and kind of down towards that sort of area is Canogra. Over here we have O'Reilly's and Lamington National Park, and the Gold Coast is just kind of down that sort of area, and it's just beautiful up here. Now, if you find the tips useful in this video, please subscribe. Now 90% of our viewers are not subscribers, and it just helps me support the channel, and so please subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell button. Now here you go, here's the little tips and tricks. Now I'm just going to show you a little mess-free campfire. Now here we go, very easy to make, an excellent campfire. No mess, no wood, no ash, no smell. Here you go. So what it is a 700 gram tin of Milo tin. Empty the Milo out of it into a plastic bag. A toilet roll, and a bottle of methylated spirits. And what you do is, hold on a second, I've got to put the camera down. You take the innard out of the toilet roll, hold up. You then force the toilet roll inside of the tin. It can be quite tight, really the tighter the better, and the bigger the ply, so the nice soft juicy toilet roll is the best. Hold on a second, just like that. And then what you do is you get the methylated spirits, and you just pour it in. And it soaks up. Now this probably take about 2 litres, I think. This is a litre. Just let it soak in. And all you do is light it. Oh, shit. And then all you do is light it. And as it gets going, it burns just like a fire. Nice and clean, no mess. Okay, so we've probably, most of us have got a set of these, which are the Saxa salt and pepper grinders. Now, they're a great little salt and pepper grinder. However, being in the van is all about saving space to me, and the thing is, these don't appear to be refillable to the, obviously, to the naked eye. However, I have found a way to refill them, and so I'm just going to show you this little tip, and also a way to save space at the same time. Now, this is great for van camping and obviously in your house as well. So here goes. So what you do is take the lid off, and then you turn it upside down and put it on something, you know, like a chopping board or something like that. Don't put it on your mum's best kitchen top. And then basically all you do is smack it down, and this little black bit comes off. Now, I've pushed it a bit hard and that's broken. And then all you do is just take the little grinder part off, and you're left with the hole straight through the bottom that allows you to fill it up. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to save space by filling that with salt and pepper, and also in the meantime, I haven't got any at the moment, but I'm going to put some chili flakes in it as well. So then you've got a 3-in-1. So just here we go. So about 50-50. And then some pepper. And then all you do is you put the grinder back on, the nozzle back on, just flick it on, and you basically hold it as if you're kind of going to do a bow and arrow. Put your thumb in the middle, and then you literally pull the grey bit up again, and it clicks back into place. And there you have a little Saxa salt and pepper grinder in one. So if you've watched the channel in the past, you will have seen that I had been using, I get portable water, so I carry about 30 litres in a fixed tank, and then I have portable water that allows me to fill up pretty much anywhere, because a lot of places don't allow you to use their taps, so it's a lot easier to put it in portable tanks. And then what I do is I have been using this four-wheel drive shower to pump it from the portable tank through into this connection here, which takes it into the main tank. Now, this four-wheel drive shower has stopped working, and it's the second one, so I've decided to try something different, and that is basically one of these pumps. I got this from Bunnings Warehouse, which is the Australian hardware store, and it's a drill pump. So basically you put one end in your portable water, so one end goes into there, the other end goes into my fixed container, a fixed socket, and then just hold on a second, just got to put the phone down, and then the other end just connects to a drill. I've got a cordless drill, and then away we go. Pumping the water from the container into the main tank. Now for the big announcement. Now, my plan has always been to try and live very simply. Initially it was a plan to have a van in Australia, a van in Europe, and also a base in Australia that very cheap, easy to run, that was off-grid. Now obviously COVID has put paid to that for the time being. Certainly not going to be able to travel to Europe for probably a couple of years, the way things are in Europe at the moment. So and they're talking a couple of years allowing there's going to be a vaccine. So anyway, so what I've decided is to bring the base forward a bit and build a tiny home. So it's going to be a tiny home on wheels. The planning's pretty far advanced at the moment, so I'd like you to come along on my journey and I will show you how I've done it. Now it's up at Binnerborough, which is, like I say, 30 minutes from the beach, 30 minutes from the Gold Coast, probably an hour and a half from Brisbane, and it's beautiful up here. Nice, quiet, very mild, so it seems to be a lot cooler up here. We're probably maybe 2,000 meters above sea level, and I just want to spin you around now. So this is the other side of the mountain looking south, and it's just beautiful. The start of the national park is probably about 2 k's that way, and Binnerborough. So I've managed to find a parcel of land, found a landowner that was willing to accept a little tiny home. Now I am actually on it at the moment, living in the van, and I'm just going to walk you there and let you have a look around. So this is the block. As you can see, it is very peaceful, and regularly wallabies. I've been on it for a couple of weeks now. So the van is roughly where the tiny home's going to be. There's a bit of a level spot. It then slopes downhill into bush, and loads of open access for solar, and the aim is to be totally off-grid. So rainwater collection, composting, the works. Now that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it useful. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and keep an eye out for my first tiny home build video, which should be out in a few days or so. Take care, and we'll see you again.